a really solid question. The answer is very deep. The answer is no.
Go fuck yourself, man. I think you're better than me.
I am better than you.
Tell me you're drunk without telling me you're drunk.
What? So you're dusting now?
Whoever's house that is, I just want to go and sleep.
Smally. They take Zen 10.
Bruh. Both of them are sleeping.
Zen Maten.
What do you power nap?
Tough cab. Deadly cabs.
Yo, Cap.
I'm a power nap.
Or Emma so power nap. Bon, Emune. Artana musiga, Chaman. Artana musiga. Warren. Hola.
But I want to cut you off.
Warren?
Voga. I want to cut her off.
Emune. Uba Polo, Chaman. Warren. I'll go try her. Chaman.
Quite a joke, boy.
You want to cut her off.
Quite a line.
Bon, Emune. Pagamara. Warren.
I'll do anything to fuck you.
You're so sweet, but no.
That's what they saying.
Who said that?